Good morning children. Today's subject is maths. Today we will see the next part of lesson number 5, that is fractions. In last period we have started the problem set 20. In that I explained the question 1, that is addition. Okay, in that I explained some examples and some examples I told to complete as a homework. I think everyone have completed this question 1. Now I am going to explain this question number 2, that is word problem. See what is the question number 2. Okay. Mother gave 3/8 of 1 gawa to Meena. Okay. She have 1 gawa. From that gawa 3/8 part, 3/8, 3/8 part of 1 gawa she gave to Meena and 2/8 of gawa to Geeta. Okay. What part of the gawa did she give them all together? Okay, she have 1 gawa. Okay, she makes some parts, 8 parts. How many parts she made? 8 parts. And out of 8 parts, 3 parts gave to Meena, means 3/8. Okay, out of 8 parts, 3 parts she gave to Meena. And 2/8 means what? Out of 8 parts, 2 parts she gave to Geeta. Now total, all together, how much part she gave to all together? She gave them all together. That we have to find. All together means दोनों का मिलके कितना पार्ट उन्होंने दिया है ये हमें निकालना है. So what we have to do? Which operation we have to do here? In this case we have to do the addition operation. Understood? As we have to find the all together, we have to do the addition. Now let's see how to solve this. So let's see. See, first we have to write the given thing. Mother gave 3/8 to Meena and 2/8 gawa to Geeta. As we have to find the all together. Okay, so we have to do the addition. 3/8 plus 2/8. So see, observe the denominator. Both are same. So write it one time. And 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 means what? So 5/8. So all together she gave 5/8 part of gawa. Therefore, she gave 5/8 part of gawa. Understood everyone? So let's see next one. See the third one. The girls of standard 5th cleaned 3/4 of a field, while the boys cleaned 1/4. Okay. What part of the field was cleaned altogether? Okay. Girls cleaned how much part? 3/4. And how much part cleaned by boys? 1/4. Now all together how much part they clean? That we have to find. Here also we have to find the all together. So what we have to do? Yes, addition. So let's see. So see, girls cleaned 3/4 of a field and boys cleaned 1/4 of a field. Now all together. So we have to do the addition. 3/4 plus 1/4. So the denominator 4. We have to write it one time. And the numerator 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 means what? 4. 4/4. 4/4 means what? 1. Means what? So they both collectively all together clean the whole field as we get the 1. Yes. Means what? Girls and boys all together clean the whole field. Understood the answer? Therefore, the whole field was cleaned all together. Understood everyone these two answers? Okay. So, this is all about the problem set 20. So, now let's see the next part of subtraction. Now, we have to see the subtraction. So, let's see for the subtraction having one problem set. So, directly we can see that problem set. See the problem set 21. First question is subtract. Okay. So see here subtraction. So now see, I will explain it. First one. See the question 1. 5/7 minus 1/7. Subtraction we have to do. First observe the denominator. Is it both are same? Yes. So as it is same, we have to write it one time. Okay. And now 5 minus 1. The numerator subtraction we have to do. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is what? 4. So the answer of this subtraction is 4/7. See the next one. See the second one. 5/8 minus 3/8. Observe the denominator. Both are same. So write it one time. Now 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. So the answer is 2 upon 8. Now see the third one. 7 upon 9 minus 2 upon 9. Observe the denominator. Is it both are same? Yes, same. So write it one time. 9. Now 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. So the answer is 5 upon 9. Understood everyone? See the next one. See the fourth one. 8 upon 11 minus 5 upon 11. Observe the denominator. Both are same? Yes. So write it one time. 11 and 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. So the answer is 3 upon 11. See the fifth one. 9 upon 13 minus 4 upon 13. 9 upon 13 minus 4 upon 13. Observe the denominator. Both are same. So write it one time. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. So the answer is 5 upon 13. See the next one. Now I explain you up to 5 examples. Okay. 1 to 5. And now 6, 7, 8th one. Solve yourself. Okay. 6, 7, and 8th one you have to solve yourself as a homework. Same like that only. Just now before I explain you. Okay. So solve this all example. Now let's see the word problem. What it is. 7 upon 8 of a wall is to be painted. Okay. 7 upon 8 of a wall is to be painted. Ramu has painted 4 upon 10 of it. How much more needs to be painted? Okay. One wall is there. Okay. So there how much part are there? 10 part are there. Out of 10, how much we have to paint? 7 parts we have to paint. But Ramu has painted. How much part he has painted? 4 part he has painted. Now, but how much part we have to paint? 7 part. Out of 7, how much painted by Ramu? 4 part. Then how much remain? How much more need to be painted? That we have to find. How much remain? Okay, इतना पार्ट हमें कलर करने का था. 7 पार्ट. रामू ने कितना कलर किया है, पेंट किया है? 4 पार्ट. Then how much remain? Means how much need again to paint, that we have to find. So which operation we have to do here? Yes, subtraction. Understood everyone? So let's see the answer. So see, 7 upon 10 of a wall is to be painted. But Ramu has painted 4 upon 10. Then how much need that we have to find? So see, 7 upon 10 minus 4 upon 10. Okay. As observe the denominator, both are same. So here will come 10. Now numerator subtraction. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So how much again need to paint? 3 upon 10. Understood? Therefore 3 upon 10 of the wall is to be painted. Understood everyone? So here we complete the problem set 21. So today I explain you the problem set 20 and 21. Everyone complete the both problem set, addition and subtraction, in your CW properly, and everyone learn the tables. Okay. So it is very important for a exam, and complete your CW time to time. Okay. We are going to ask your CW for checking. Then your CW must be complete. Understood everyone? Okay. I think everyone have understood the CW completion and homework also. So everyone complete it. Okay. Thank you.